Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to talk about some good quality Indian hair care and skincare brands. These are my favorite products that I use regularly. I wanted to introduce to you guys to some of them because I know people are looking out for Indian brands right now. It is a very small way of supporting our Indian economy and Indian brands and businesses as well. So if you want to invest your money in some made in India products, then these are some of the great products to start off with, giving you the desired results and being easy on the pocket. I really hope that this video helps you out, and before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. The first brand is called Biotique and I'm using their Biopapa Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub. This is a great product to have if you're looking out for a scrub. It says it is an Ayurvedic medicine with papaya seeds in it. How I like to use it, just applying it on my wet face with a face brush, avoiding the eye area and gently massaging it in using my fingertips, and then washing my face with water. This gives a great result in removing the dead skin cells and whiteheads on your face. It gives you smoother and clearer skin. It also brightens up your complexion. It also helps in removing tan with daily usage, and it does all of that in just 199 rupees. Isn't that great? I have been loving this product for quite a long time, like past 2 years, and I really vouch for this product. This will give you the desired results. My second recommendation is this Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. The consistency of this moisturizer is very gel-like and lightweight, almost like water. I just dot my freshly washed face with this gel and gently pat it in and massage it in with fingertips upward and outwards, also under my eyes, and then go to sleep. This gel just seeps right into your skin, leaving your skin hydrated and moisturized. It works like magic overnight while rejuvenating your skin and giving you smoother and clearer skin. This product is for oily skin girls, but I use this as a dry skin girl too because it is that hydrating. Moisturizing is really important no matter what skin type you have. This product retails for 575, but it is really worth it. I just love a lot of products from Plum, from their toners, moisturizers to their face mask. It is a great Indian brand who makes great quality products. Their products are 100% vegan and they do not test on animals. So what more you can ask for? For third product, it is from a brand called Mamaearth. It is their Tea Tree Hair Mask. It retails for 599, but it is totally worth it. It is a revolutionary product for people like me who have dandruff issues and have dry, itchy scalp. It is also paraben and silicone free, which can be really harmful for your hair. To use it, just part your hair into 2 halves. Then wet your hair and scalp and take adequate quantity and apply it onto your scalp. Apply generously all over your scalp and also on the ends of your hair. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off. You can see visible results after 1 use only. Your dandruff will reduce remarkably and there will be no itching for days. This product moisturizes your scalp so well that it really helps for people like me who have really dry and itchy scalp. The dandruff will not come out even if you scrape your scalp, which was the biggest issue for me. If you suffer from the same issue, then this product will be great for you. One more product in hair care is this Argan Oil shampoo from Khadi Natural Herbal. This is a great shampoo if you're looking for shampoos with no SLS and no paraben. I just take an adequate amount on my palm and apply it onto my wet hair and scalp. Now this is a sulfate-free shampoo, so it will not foam up like regular shampoo, but that does not mean that it is not doing its job. Now just pat your hair with a towel and let it air dry. It makes your hair shinier and silkier with every use. It doesn't dry down your hair like other shampoos do, or strip off all the moisture from your hair. This retails for $380, but you can find it on discount on Amazon. And for the last product, I picked up this Blood Orange and Rosehip Lip Scrub from the brand called Juicy Chemistry. Now this Indian brand is based in Tamil Nadu and they make great quality organic products and using ingredients in its purest and rarest form. Since it is so pure, it does not add preservatives to it and its shelf life is only 6 months. But their products are great in quality. I use this organic scrub to exfoliate my lips by taking a little amount and massaging it on my lips. This removes all the dead skin and gives nourishment and hydration to your lips, making your lips look more plump and softer. It hydrates your lips about 4 to 5 hours, then you have to reapply it. It also smells like real oranges. How yummy is that? So with that, we are done talking about some great quality Indian products. If you want to buy some of these products, then the links are given in the description box. I hope you found something helpful in this video. If you did, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.